Hello guys, today I'm going to give people the research guides, and from this research guide we need to know these following questions, and I'm going to start directly with what is a research topic. A research topic is a field or problem an investigator is interested in when doing his or her research. So in order to do research, your research topic needs to be good enough and perfect enough to make your research perfect. And you need to know and how do you select a research topic. Firstly, brainstorm for ideas. Secondly, choose a subject to read and appreciate the literature in which of what you are studying. Make it manageable, make it accessible, create a list of keywords. From that, make it flexible. From that research question, identify now your research topic. Now, what is a research variable? A research variable is a property, characteristic, or number, or a quantity that over time increases or reduces, or that in different circumstances can assume different values. What am I trying to say here is that the research variable is a property or characteristic or number that is used to measure a certain amount of something that can either reduce or increase depending on the different values. Types of research variables. There are many types of research variables, but I'm going to give you two commonly used research variables. First, the independent variable. These are variables that are stable and which influence the other variable you are trying to measure. Independent variable. These are variables that are being influenced by the independent variable. Let me give an example. The impact of ICT on the society. From here we can see that independent variable here is the ICT and society is the dependent variable. 5. As a researcher, you need to have a problem statement. And what is a problem statement? It briefly explains the problem that the researcher will address. And what are the purpose of this problem statement? First, this purpose is to state the importance of the topic you are studying, the significance of the study, and the research question or hypothesis to follow, to identify the gap or pain that exists today. Lastly, the characteristics of a good problem statement. It should address the knowledge gap. It should be important enough to apply to the current study body. It should contain comparison of evidences, that is, some statistical evidences. This should lead to more studies. Thank you everyone for watching. For this is what I had for research tips and guides. Thank you. Goodbye.